On my trip to Japan, I once asked a dealership owner a simple question that changed the way I look at cars forever. How is it possible, I asked him, that your cars last for decades while in other countries, people replace theirs every 5 or 6 years because they're practically destroyed? His answer stopped me cold. We don't do magic, he said. We treat the car as if it were part of the family, and family members are cared for every day, not only when they're already sick. That sentence stayed with me, because in that moment, I understood the real difference between how the Japanese care for their cars and how the rest of the world does. Today, I'm going to share 13 habits that make Japanese cars seem almost immortal. And I warn you, the final ones are so surprising that you'll wonder why no one else in the world applies them. Number 13, weekly fluid checks like a blood test. This habit borders on obsessive, and it's incredibly effective. In Japan, drivers don't wait for warning lights to appear. Every week, they open the hood and quickly check coolant, brake fluid, and steering fluid. They do it as casually as checking if there's milk in the fridge. Catching a small coolant drop early can prevent catastrophic overheating. Noticing cloudy brake fluid can prevent an accident. And here's the key. They do this even on brand new cars, because they don't blindly trust sure, and they're right not to. Sensors fail. One mechanic told me 9 out of 10 major breakdowns could have been avoided with simple checks. They never let small problems grow in silence. Number 12, replacing parts before they fail. In the West, we wait. We wait for belts to snap, for water pumps to leak, for alternators to die. In Japan, critical parts are replaced before failure. Timing belts, tensioners, pumps, batteries, all changed on strict schedules, even if they still look fine. A Tokyo shop owner once said, "I'd rather a customer complain that I changed a working part than see him return with a destroyed engine." Preventive maintenance costs little. Emergency repairs cost 10 times more. To them, this isn't overcare. It's discipline. Number 11, full inspection. Every 10,000 miles. Every 10,000 miles, Japanese cars undergo a deep inspection. Not just fluids and filters, but bolts, hoses, wiring, mounts, and vibration-isolating rubber. They believe a loose screw can kill an engine, and they're right. Small vibrations turn into broken mounts. Broken mounts damage hoses. Leaking hoses destroy engines. Japanese mechanics detect issues others never even look for. That obsession with detail is exactly why their cars refuse to die. With these first 5 habits, the philosophy becomes clear. They don't react to failures, they prevent them. And what comes next is even more interesting, because now we enter the world of electronic and technical tricks most drivers don't even know exist. Stay with me. Number 10, battery and ECU reset as a system restart. When strange warning lights appear, many drivers panic. In Japan, the first step is simple. Disconnect the battery for a few minutes and reset the ECU. This clears temporary electronic errors caused by bad readings, not real failures. A Japanese mechanic told me almost 40% of warning light visits could be avoided this way. They don't abuse it. They combine it with visual checks to confirm nothing is physically wrong. The result? Less wasted money, fewer unnecessary replacements, and longer sensor life. Number 9, routine cleaning of electrical connectors. Humidity, dust, and corrosion attack electrical connectors from day one. In Japan, connectors are cleaned preventively. A mechanic in Osaka showed me an ABS issue caused by nothing more than light oxidation. A simple cleaning fixed it. Elsewhere, that car would have received a full module replacement costing thousands. Clean connections mean clean signals, and clean signals protect the ECU. Invisible habit. Massive impact. Number 8, throttle body cleaning and recalibration. Rough idle? Poor response? Many think the worst. In Japan, the first step is cleaning and recalibrating the throttle body. Oil and carbon buildup confuse airflow readings. The ECU compensates incorrectly. After cleaning and recalibration, idle stabilizes, response improves, fuel consumption drops. And because the engine runs smoothly, The transmission and clutch suffer less stress. Number 7. Regular MAF sensor cleaning. The MAF sensor controls fuel accuracy, yet most drivers ignore it. In Japan, it's cleaned regularly with special sprays. A dirty MAF can increase fuel consumption by 20% and cause long-term engine wear. A Kyoto mechanic explained it best. Cleaning the MAF is like cleaning your glasses. Everything works better when you see clearly. Number 6. Injector cleaning without the workshop. Instead of waiting for clogged injectors, Japanese drivers clean them preventively using quality additives. Some mechanics even use portable cleaning systems without disassembly. That's why injector failures are rare, even at high mileage. A clean fuel system means a well-fed engine, and a well-fed engine lives a long life. Number 5. Cleaning and reinforcing ground cables. One of Japan's biggest electrical secrets. Ground cables corrode, loosen, and cause ghost problems. Japanese drivers regularly clean and protect ground points and even add extra ones. A Yokohama mechanic told me, 90% of electrical mysteries disappear when grounds are cleaned. Number 4. Extreme battery care. In Japan, people don't ignore the car battery until it suddenly dies. They take care of it regularly. Battery terminals are cleaned so rust does not build up. Voltage is checked from time to time to see if the battery is getting weak. If the battery starts losing power, it is charged slowly instead of being pushed until failure. They also make sure the battery is never fully drained, because deep discharge damages battery life. Because of this careful habit, batteries in Japan often last 8 years or even more, while in many other countries, batteries usually last only 3 to 5 years. Number 3. Total control of the cooling system. Overheating kills engines. That's why Japanese drivers obsess over coolant quality, hoses, thermostats, and radiator cleanliness. They even clean the radiator from the outside. Result? Overheating is rare. Engines survive extreme mileage. Number 2. Air conditioning as a vital system. In Japan, air conditioning is not seen as a luxury. It is seen as a system that protects the car. Cabin filters are changed regularly. Air ducts, evaporators, and condensers are cleaned to keep airflow smooth. When the AC system is clean, the engine does not have to work extra hard, and electronics stay cooler and safer. A healthy air conditioning system reduces stress on the engine, saves fuel, and helps the entire car stay in better condition for many years. Number 1. Treating the car like family. The real secret isn't a tool or trick, it's mentality. Cars aren't disposable objects in Japan. They're cared for, respected, and maintained daily. A mechanic once told me, caring for a car is like caring for a bonsai. Small, constant attention creates something that lasts decades. And that's why Japanese cars last forever. Not because of magic, not because of secret materials, but because of discipline, respect, and prevention. Apply even half of these habits, and your car will reward you with years of extra life. Now tell me in the comments, which habit surprised you the most? Like, subscribe and share. Because the Japanese have been doing this quietly for decades.